Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use CapCut for TikTok. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut application, and here I already opened mine. And for the next thing, let's do a new project by click this new project, and you can just choose a videos, photos, or you can also use the stock videos from the CapCut application. And I would like to go into the live sections, and here I just need to find one that I can use for the TikTok content. Okay, let's say this one. It's quite inspiring. And after that, you just need to go click add. And now since TikTok is a like a short video type, so I would like to make this clip become shorter from 13. I think I would like to make it into 7. So I will let the video like stop here. So you just need to go click edit, and after that go click split and delete for the rest. Okay, it will be the same. I will let to decide when they will start. I think here. So you just need to go click edit, split, and click this part and delete the part. Okay, we already have the clip here, and since we want to use this as a TikTok content, so we need to adjust in the ratio. We need to go into this ratio, and after that we just need to go click this 9:16, and after that we just need to pinch this clip, click done first, and then after that click the clip, and we just need to pinch this video with 2 of our finger until the video is fill up the ratio of the canvas. And after you're done, you just need to go random part and have a test again. Okay, it's just a boring video, right? So we need to add some effect on it. So okay, let's do add an effects by click this effects and go into the body effects. And this body effects, I think I would like to go with the let me find it first. Okay, what about this? Nope, it's quite disturbing. So let's find out another. What about this? Okay, it's quite good and dynamic. You can also adjusting like the speed, the rotate. So I would like to make it like less. Okay, and for the rotate, I think I want to make it right there. And after you're done, you just need to go click done, and don't forget to have another test. And when you're done with all of the edit, you just need to export this. And after you're done, don't go anywhere, just go directly share to TikTok, and the CapCut will be open the TikTok for you. And when you're done, you just need to go click next, add the caption, and just go post it. So that's the way how to do CapCut into TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.